Here is the damage report for the week 6. I gave my Python bot, SilverHawk, a simple mission to Scalp Ford, stock with $25,000 of my capital. But due to a race condition bug in my code, it started double buying shares, aggressively accumulating a massive position way faster than planned. Looking at the weekly dashboard, you can see the accumulation steps on chart 1 were far too steep. Chart 2 shows the painful reality where my average cost basis of $13.46 stayed consistently above the dropping market price, putting me underwater all week. Chart 3 confirms the net worth hit, showing an unrealized paper loss of around $360. However, Chart 4 shows a ray of hope. On Friday, the bot finally executed 2 clean exit trades using its logic, generating $11 in gross profit. It is a small win, but it proves the concept works. I am not panic selling. Next week, I am activating the Wheel Strategy module to sell covered calls against these shares and claw that money back. Subscribe to see if I can dig myself out of this hole.